seconds down. And 4 minutes and 28 seconds to go. Sean Dickinson with car number 10 is running in first, on pace of 44 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Matt Freeland with car number 9 is running in second, on pace of 43 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Brian Dickinson with car number 5 is running in third, on pace of 42 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Attention. 1 minute and 2 seconds down. And 3 minutes and 57 seconds to go. Sean Dickinson with car number 10 is running in first, on pace of 50 laps in 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Dean Budge with car number 4 is running in second, on pace of 47 laps in 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Brian Dickinson with car number 5 is running in third, on pace of 47 laps in 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Attention. 1 minute and 31 seconds down. And 3 minutes and 28 seconds to go. Sean Dickinson with car number 10 is running in first, on pace of 50 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Brian Dickinson with car number 5 is running in second, on pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Dean Budge with car number 4 is running in third, on pace of 48 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Attention. 2 minutes and 1 second down. And 2 minutes and 58 seconds to go. Sean Dickinson with car number 10 is running in first, on pace of 51 laps in 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Dean Budge with car number 4 is running in second, on pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Brian Dickinson with car number 5 is running in third.
On pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Attention. 2 minutes and 31 seconds down.
And 2 minutes and 28 seconds to go. Justin Long with car number 6 is running in first, on pace of 42 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Matt Freeland with car number 9 is running in second, on pace of 46 laps in 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Tony Salford with
Car number 1 is running in third.
on pace of 29 laps in 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Attention. 3 minutes and 2 seconds down. And 1 minute and 57 seconds to go. Sean Dickinson with car number 10 is running in first, on pace of 52 laps in 5 minutes. Dean Budge with car number 4 is running in second, on pace of 51 laps in 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Brian Dickinson with car number 5 is running in third, on pace of 51 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Attention. 3 minutes and 31 seconds down. And 1 minute and 28 seconds to go. Justin Long with car number 6 is running in first, on pace of 43 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Matt Freeland with car number 9 is running in second, on pace of 46 laps in 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Tony Salford with car number 1 is running in third, on pace of 29 laps in 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Is over. Keep racing until I say your name. Brian Dickinson, you are done. Dean Budge, you are done. Sean Dickinson, you are done. Zoe Hurd, you are done. Justin Long, you are done. Matt Freeland, you are done.